Okay, just want to know how to blush you? Watch this. All you have to do is put your finger, watch this. That's how the cookie crumbles.